after 1 hour and a half. Woohoo! Hello guys, from my street Iacopelli. Today I'm going to show you, like you can see, the future of pizza. I want to show you this because this is insane. I'm so excited. The oven is on. Yeah, guys, this is a pizza oven. Today I'm going to show you. Take a look. Oh, you need to watch it to the end because the future of pizza delivery. The pizza is super hot. I can show you this, but today is gonna be insane because we are going to see 30 minutes delivery to 1 hour and a half delivery and to see the temperature. So let's go ahead and let's start this video. Watch until the end.
Pizzeria Soft and Crunchy, buonasera.
Ciao, buonasera. Volevo ordinare 2 pizze a domicilio, è possibile?
Certo, prego.
Allora, una yin yang con impasto e 7 cereali e una margherita.
Tra quanto?
Tra una mezz'oretta.
Perfetto, la ringrazio. Tra mezz'ora siamo lì da lei.
Grazie mille.
Grazie,
A dopo.
salve. Maestro, domicilio.
2 pizze.
Sì.
A posto, ok, facciamo subito che le spegni. Tagliala.
Pizzeria Soft and Crunchy, buonasera.
Buonasera, una pizza a domicilio.
Sì, sa già quale?
Sì, una margherita.
Tra quanto?
Più o meno da un'oretta.
Un'oretta, perfetto, la ringrazio. Allora più tardi.
Ok.
Grazie, salve.
Salve.
No, lasciala.
Un altro domicilio tra un'ora.
Oh, un'ora. 1 hour. Hello guys, okay, so I'm going to explain you this video what it's about. Like you can see, now we have 2 deliveries, but one is in about 10 minutes, and this pizza margherita is 1 hour. So I'm going to show you the innovation, the future of delivery pizza, because today it's possible. Both deliveries in the same time and live for both of them, because this guy here is really far away. So we are going to make both pizzas and we are going to deliver it. But the most important part of this video is how the pizza will taste after 1 hour in this delivery pizza oven. I want to call it like that, delivery pizza box. So let's see the reaction of this guy, what he thinks, and also myself, because I never made a pizza and put it in the box in 1 hour. So the goal for me today is to show you that today in 2025, 2026, it's possible to deliver a pizza super hot and fragrance. So let's go ahead, let's make both deliveries together. It's insane, guys, where the technology got up to. Then we flip it over, now we press, boom, voila. We got one margherita. So what we do the base first. We put tomato sauce here too. Now we put pecorino cheese in all 3. Then we put fresh mozzarella here. This is one of my favorite one, in a 7 grain, which is insane. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the honey on top. Little bit of olive oil. I like to put the basil before and after. Okay, vai Loris, come on. Got the peel, little bit of flour, and then lift it up, pinch it, finger under, and then boom, on top. Loris, don't burn the pizza. The pizza needs to be scared of you, not you of the pizza. You got it? We got the 7 grain. Be careful because this one is dark, so it might look burned, but it's not. The dough is black. The other one, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so now they're both in the oven. One in 1 hour, one is in 5 minutes. So let's go ahead. Place the pizzas here first. We made a little bit more crunchy. We have this special box that we custom in the box. This is the 7 grain. Look at this. It's soft and it's crunchy. The bottom of the pizza looks good. So now what I'm gonna do for you guys, because you guys gonna learn the third one. Perfect. Thank you so much, Loris. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the crust. Here we go. And then here we go. Guys, keep in mind, this is 7 grain pizza dough, so it's not burned, it's black, the dough. So I like to cut the pizzas. Cut this one, I wanna show you. Come closer to me. Take a look. The crust is insane. Soft and crunchy. Okay. Here we go, guys. The pizza is cut. Let's go with the honey. I like to put the basil on the side because when you have the pizza hot, the basil becomes black. So when it's a delivery pizza, it's always good. See, this one is still smoking there. Perfect. So what we're gonna do here, come closer to me. So I'm gonna go ahead, measure the pizza. It's a super hot pizza. We didn't add anything here. So we got about 48 Celsius. So let's get 40 to 50 Celsius. That's the temperature of the pizza. I wanna show you. This is Inge Young. This is with the address there. This is the one for in 1 hour. I'm gonna put the name, 1 hour. Here we go, guys. We have the pizzas. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we are talking about. The future is today. This is a a warmer box. I already have pizzas here because we have multiple delivery. So I want to show you what we are talking. And guys, pay attention to those two pizzas because at the end of this video, really at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how they look like, what's the temperature inside, and if really this is the future of delivery pizza, because we need to have the pizza at the same textures as the beginning. So let's wait the end of the deliveries. Let's see how much time will pass by. And most importantly, let's see if the pizza will stay soft and crunchy. We are talking about, this is already heat coming out from. You see these holes here? This one, I show you. So it's important how you place the pizzas. So this is one in 1 hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this one all the way in the bottom. And then make sure to open those holes, because also in the back there, we have a few one. So I'm gonna place this on the top because this is the first one. We're gonna go ahead and deliver those pizzas right now. Same thing here. How the pizza will look like right after. See those holes? These are connected to the holes, and it basically is pushing air inside the pizza to keep the pizza nice and fragrant and especially warm. So let's go ahead and let's put this on top of the motorcycle because we're going to deliver this one with a motorcycle, but this box is also made for car or also for on top of the counter, which we are going to show you in a little bit. So let's go ahead, let's deliver the first pizzas, and then during that time, let's see what's the future of delivery. So let's go ahead, let's deliver this box. Here we go, guys. The motorcycle is here, the guy is here, and can you explain us how to put this here? And this is, like I say, is good for the motorcycle. Fantastic. And then we plug it in because this also comes with the battery.
Turn it, twist it, like this.
Sorry, you're more professional than me. I'm new.
Sure.
Fantastic.
There we go.
We're gonna turn it on.
And he's on. The key. Mi dai le chiavi, per favore?
Wait. Here we go. It's on. Self battery. Okay, so like you can see, this is basically self controls with this own battery. So now we have one battery here, one battery is charging. So right now we can do delivery for about 3-4 hours.
Correct.
Correct? So, and we can set up the temperature. Right now we have the temperature 80, humidity 19%.
Yes.
We can modify that like this one.
Correct.
You press this, setting temperature 60, 70, 80. We're gonna go ahead and put 90.
Go ahead.
Done. So now we have the setting on we set it up at 90 Celsius, which is perfect for keeping the pizza hot. And the humidity, this is the humidity that is inside right now.
The humidity is dropping down with the temperature and with the time.
Basically, we are in Las Vegas right now.
Yes, correct.
Actually, the pizzas are in Las Vegas.
Correct.
So,
we are in the winter.
So I can relax. Now I don't need to rush anything.
Let me do my job and deliver the pizza, man.
Take your time and bring the pizza to the customer. I want to see what they think.
Let's go.
Chi è?
Signora ci sono le pizze.
Arrivo. Buonasera.
Salve. A lei?
Grazie. Wow, è bellissima. Esce ancora il fumo, è caldissima. Non vedo l'ora di mangiarla.
Oh, certo, con il nostro sistema i-RedBox arrivano sempre calde e fragranti. Buon appetito, arrivederci.
Grazie.
One thing really important, guys, let me get the phone, because from the phone you can go in real time to this app and check out in real time where is the driver. I mean, it's insane because you can really see where is he and then control if everything is good or not. Another thing really important is that you can actually check out the humidity inside the box and set up the temperature for the other delivery and set up the temperature at 90 Celsius, which is right now. So it's good. So I keep it like that, and it's amazing. You can check out everything. Most importantly, you can check out where is your driver. So if something happened, you know in real time. This is something really insane. Let's see how the other delivery is gonna go.
Signori, buonasera, le sue pizze.
Salve.
Salve, lei ha una pizza, vero?
Sì.
Ecco per lei.
Grazie. No, ma com'è possibile? Cioè, l'ho ordinata un'ora fa, ma è ancora caldissima.
Certo, noi abbiamo un sistema di delivery intelligente che ci permette di consegnare le pizze calde e fragranti sempre.
Grazie.
Buon appetito.
Grazie, gentilissimo.
Ehi Vito,
Yeah. Yes, how was everything? Good?
everything perfect, man.
Delivery?
Done.
Fantastic.
We have still 2 pizza left, man. What do you want me to do with those?
Okay, no, leave it to me because I'm shooting a video that I can explain to this guy.
Sure.
Thank you so much, man. Can
Thanks,
you close
man.
the door? Okay, guys, like you can see, bye. Like you can see, guys, the box here is still on, so I'm gonna keep it here because I have a few deliveries. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizzas in because I can keep it there. But what I did here, I made 2 pizzas extra. I'm gonna leave it there for me. I made those 2 pizzas just for you to show you. Wow, they're still warm. To show you, come here, don't stop the video. This way you guys can see everything. Those are the 2 pizzas that I made to show you. It's been literally more than 1 hour and a half inside this box. And this is how they look like. They move around because this drive like crazy. I did not cut one. So where is the thermometer? Don't stop the video right here. I did not cut one. So they look good. Just of course the basil looks so dry. So I want to keep it. I'm gonna get it. I mean, take a look. Still soft and crunchy in the same time. Take a look. They're a little bit wet. Still a little bit of smoke. Look. Still the texture is insane. I can feel the heat. This one, same thing. Wow. It's still warm. It's still fragrant. Take a look. Smells so good. I still have some heat here, but before they get cold, let's go ahead and let's get the temperature. Don't stop the video, okay? Insane. I mean, let's get the temperature there. Look at this, look at this. It's going up. Guys, you believe this? 40, 41. Still going up. 40, 42. Well, we still got 42 Celsius, the temperature inside here. This one, look at this. This is actually it's still going up. Look at it. 45, 46, 47. Guys, it's gonna go up 47. It's gonna go up to 50. You believe this? This is the texture of the pizza. It's so soft and crunchy. Look at the chewing. Tastes insane. This is my first time tasting the pizza. It's insane. Let me show you this 1 second. Let's pretend that the customer is home. But wait, guys, because I'm gonna go ahead, place it in the plate. I can even save the box. Place it in the plate. I'm gonna put a little bit of basil, little bit of olive oil on the crust, on the top. Now we put the. Wow, this one makes me so happy, guys, because whatever we do is to make an experience to the customer. It's not business. Pizza is a serious thing. What the customer, the clients, a friend, what really thinks about the pizza. I show you with no secret what the future of delivery pizza is, how it's supposed to be, what you should do, because this is the way how you can get a pizza at your house after 1.5 hours at your house. Now tell me in the comments what you think of this. It's worth it or not? I did this video, it's not a sponsored video, it's not about making money or anything about this, but I chose to have this. They presented to me, I say, I say shit, I say wow. I have to share a video about this. Guys, this is the future innovation about pizza delivery. Look how it cuts. Amen. What can I say? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.